and fireworks, and of course, very famously, OpenAI. Great partnership with CoreWeave. They're the world's first AI native cloud.
Kingmaker seminar.
Only one singular purpose: to provision, to host GPUs as the era of accelerated computing showed up, and to host for AI clouds. They've got some fantastic customers, and they're growing incredibly. One of the platforms that I'm quite excited about is Palantir and Dell. The three of our companies have made it possible to stand up a brand new type of AI platform, the Palantir Ontology platform, an AI platform. And we could stand up these platforms in any country, in any air-gapped region, completely on-prem, completely on-site, completely in the field. AI could be deployed literally everywhere. Without our confidential computing capability, without our ability to build the end-to-end system, as well as offer the entire accelerated computing and AI stack, from data processing, whether it's vectors, all the way to AI, it would have been possible. I wanted to show you these examples.
7.
This is our
007 40 times. That is $600.
And I get the benefit of seeing them during
right on.
It's just so incredibly exciting. I just want to thank all of you for the hard work. What NVIDIA has done.
I got it.
And you're going to see this theme over and over again.
Anchor, got it.
Integrated, the world's first vertically integrated but horizontally open company. And the reason that's necessary is very simple. Accelerated computing is not a chip problem. Accelerated computing is not a systems problem. Accelerated computing has a missing word. We just never say it anymore. Application acceleration. If I could make a computer run everything faster, that's called
still winning.
Steam. The only way for us
still winning
to bring tremendous speed up, tremendous
still winning
application or domain specific acceleration. I dropped that phrase in the front.
Still winning.
And that is the reason why NVIDIA has to be library after library, domain after domain, vertical after vertical. We are a vertically integrated computing company. There is no other way. We have to understand the applications. We have to understand the domain. We have to understand fundamentally the algorithms, and we have to figure out how to deploy the algorithm.
Still winning.
There's a data center, cloud, on-prem, at the edge, or in a robotic system. All of those computing systems
still winning.
Systems and chips. We are vertically integrated. What makes it incredibly powerful, and the reason why you saw all the slides, is because of NVIDIA's horizontal
7.
And integrate NVIDIA's technology into whatever platform you would like us to integrate into. We offer you the software, we offer you libraries, we integrate with your technology so that we can bring accelerated computing to everybody in the world. Well, this GTC is really a great demonstration of that. You know, most of the time you'll see me talk about these verticals, and I'll give them examples.
Still winning.
Whether it's automotive.
Wow, still winning.
The largest percentage of attendees.
Wow, still winning.
I know.
Wow, still winning.
Guys.
Whoa, still winning. 7. Another dragon. 3Q4. 7. Player 4.
Upstream of our supply chain.
So that is additional $600. On him, 40.
Exciting.
Got it.
Supply chain this last year.
Got it.
Year-old company. We have 70-year-old companies. We have 150.
Got it.
NVIDIA supply chain and partnering with us.
Got it.
You had your record year. Did you not? Congratulations.
Got it.
This is the beginning of something very, very big. And so if you look at accelerated computing, we've now set the computing platform, but in order for us to activate those computing platforms, we need to have domain-specific libraries that solve very important problems in each one of the verticals that we address.
Got it.
Autonomous vehicles are
Got it.
incredible. We have a track on that. Financial services, I just mentioned.
Got it.
Machine learning with human feature engineering called Quant. The quants did that. To now,
Got it.
studying massive amounts of data, discovering insight and discovering patterns by itself. And so this is going to
Got it.
for a moment. Healthcare is going through their chat.
Hi. Got it.
We have a great
Hi. Got it.
track for healthcare. We're talking about AI physics or AI biology for drug discovery, AI agents for customer service and support of diagnosis, and of course, physical AI, robotic systems. All these different vectors of AI have different platforms that NVIDIA provides. Industrial, we are completely resetting and starting the largest build out of human history. And most of the world's industries, building AI factories, building chip plants, building computer plants are represented here today. Media and entertainment, gaming, of course, real-time AI platform so that we could translation and broadcast support and live games and live video. Enormous amount of it will be augmented with AI. We have a platform called Holoscan, Quantum. There are 35 different companies here building with us the next generation of quantum GPU hybrid systems, retail and CPG, using NVIDIA for supply chain, creating agentic shopping systems, AI agents for customer support. A lot of work being done here. $35 trillion industry. Robotics, $50 trillion industry in manufacturing. NVIDIA's been working in this area for a decade now, building 3 computers, the fundamental computers necessary to build robotic systems. We are integrated with, working with literally every single company that we know of building robots. We have 110 robots here at the show. And then telecommunications. About as large as the world's IT industry, about $2 trillion. We see, of course, base stations everywhere. It's one of the world's infrastructures. It was the infrastructure of the last generation of computing. That infrastructure is going to get completely reinvented. And the reason for that is very simple. That base station, it does one thing, which is base station, is going to be an AI infrastructure platform in the future. AI will run at the edge. And so lots of great discussion there. And our platform there is called Ariel, our AI RAN. Big partnership with no.
Got it.
Many others. At the core of our business,
Got it.
everything that I just mentioned, computing platforms.
Got it.
CUDA-X libraries. Our CUDA-X libraries is the algorithms that NVIDIA invents. We are an algorithm company. That's what makes us special.
Got it.
Go into every single one of these industries, imagine the future, and have the world's best computer scientists describe and solve problems, refactor it, re-express it, and turn it into a library. We have so many. I think we have, at this show, we're announcing 100 libraries, 70 libraries, maybe 40 models. And that's just at the show.
See,
we're updating these all the time.
counting all those dragon plus
The
899
crown jewels of our company.
is more than 50% rate of return.
To be activated in service.
That's the way to do it.
One of the most important libraries.
Hallelujah. Jason Huang, CUDA, NVIDIA,
Artificial intelligence.
Rubin, Divine.